Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a 30 years old computer science person from Germany that works at university. And today I'm going to present you the goal and the idea behind my YouTube channel. First of all, what do I want to achieve with it? I want to present many topics of interest concerning personal improvement. The typical topics that fall into that category are personal finance, meditation, lifting, nutrition, weight loss, maybe some other exercises, and many other topics. Many of those I have already organized into playlists. Furthermore, in addition to the title of each video, I will also present some importance factor and some difficulty factor to better allow people to watch the content that is actually of relevance to them. Additionally, the videos I make are also some kind of self-documentary. I am always or often helping people on places like 4chan or Discord with their self-improvement journey, and many of the questions I encounter repeat themselves over and over again, which isn't a bad thing. The beginners typically encounter all the same problems. The thing is, answering always the same questions seems like a huge waste of time to me. Therefore, I'm now creating videos that I can link to better help those people in a more efficient, time-efficient manner. Let's call it an experiment. Most of the content here will be talking head content. Sometimes I will blend in interesting pictures or video segments or presentations or something like that that help me with delivering a message in a more suitable manner. But most of the time I will focus on just one topic and one topic alone, and for these styles of videos it should really suffice that I use the talking head style in a beneficial manner. Right now my equipment isn't the best. I'm using an HD webcam and a, well, pretty generic microphone. But as soon as I realize that there is interest in this kind of content, I might upgrade my gear. But for now, it is perfectly fine for me to use just these kinds of equipment. Well, I want to also point out that I will solely focus on topics that are inside my circle of competence, that I feel like I can contribute something on, aka topics I have at least 2 years of experience on. But even then, I might make some mistakes or say things that might look like mistakes, and I'm always glad when people point those out. I will consider them and maybe I will correct the video I made on it. But many times I feel quite confident that that's not necessary. But nevertheless, any point of criticism is always welcome. In addition, I also want to point out that the info on this channel is for the average person. If you are an elite athlete in some kind of area or an elite scientist, computer scientist, then the info I present here is probably not for you, unless you want to teach it, of course. In that case, there might be some benefit in it. But most of the time, it's for the average person that is just starting out the self-improvement journey. And it's structured in such a way. It probably leaves out the people that struggle the most and the people that struggle the least. But that's just the nature of YouTube. When you want to create content that works for many, many people, you pretty much have to leave out those people. Nevertheless, the easy videos I will be creating are probably also of benefit to them, even if it might take some more time for them. Right now I am on vacation and I will try to kickstart the channel by creating maybe 20 to 30 videos in advance, so you have actually something to watch. From then on, the release frequency of the videos I'll be creating will be probably twice a week, probably on Wednesday and on Sunday. And whenever a person has a suggestion for a video topic, I will strongly consider that. But for now, I have a very, very long list of topics I'm willing to create videos on that are of benefit to many people. And most of them are actually quite important in my opinion. And one last remark concerning the topic of meditation, which I find especially important, and there will be many videos on the practice and the theory behind it. Those things should never be monetized, in my opinion. And I'm strongly opposed to monetized apps that are on meditation. The Buddha and his monks always said that meditation should be free. You shouldn't be you shouldn't be, it shouldn't be necessary to pay for happiness. So that content should always be free. Okay, and that should be the closing remark. Enjoy the content on the channel if you want to. If not, that's also fine. Just don't watch it. Okay, bye.